Fall is here. Oh my goodness, fall is my favorite time for our great hobby of geocaching. In the Northern Hemisphere it's fall, and that means a little bit cooler temperatures. It means the mosquitoes are going away. It means that satellite reception is even better in the woods because the leaves have fallen off the trees. And it means that the month of October is my birthday. But I celebrate my birthday almost every single month because every single month I get the Cache Crate. If you don't know what the Cache Crate is, it is a monthly subscription box. Geocaching goodness is delivered to your door every single month. And today I'm going to unbox the Cache Crate. But I'm not only going to unbox the Cache Crate, I am going to unbox the quarterly Hero Crate. The Hero Crate is a quarterly subscription box filled with even more geocaching goodness. So today's video, you get a 2-for-1 special. I'm going to unbox the Cache Crate and the Hero Crate. Let's begin. Opening time. There it is. Yes. Now Lisa from Cache Advanced always does such a great job with the presentation. On the top is a list of all the goodness that is inside. But look at the paper, it's so nice. We're gonna slowly open the paper to reveal what is inside for the month of September. First thing I see is a Compass Creek trackable. Here it is. It is called the Native Art Wolf Tag. Oh, what a beautiful design. This is perfect for Wolf Shirt Wednesday. Don't you know that's a thing? You should wear a wolf shirt every Wednesday. All right, I already see a theme. So coming up soon is the Geocaching International Film Festival. And if you remember back in 2013, myself and the GC Doc won the very first Geocaching International Film Festival with a video called My Geocaching Addiction. If you haven't seen it, you need to click up there after this video. See, I told you guys I won. This is from 2013. I've been thinking about donating this to Geocaching HQ to see if they want to put it in their special trophy case. It is actually trackable too. So maybe someday you will see this at HQ. But every single year now they've had the Geocaching International Film Festival. I believe this is the 5th year, and we have some film festival goodies in here. We have an International Geocaching Film Festival patch. We have a sticker. We have candy. And we have a GIF pin. So every month I get the add-on trackable, and this time it is the Parlay Geocoin. I love this because it's so Goonie-ish. There's a skull there with a jewel. That's funny. It says parlay like it's $16.99. Oh, I love that. Being from Minnesota, I love the Prince references. I love that with the Cache Crate, there's always a balance of the practical and the fun. We have an official geocaching sticker. This is also very useful, and I actually don't have one in my geocaching bag. The Silver Gripper Tweezers. Why the Silver Gripper are the finest tweezers you'll ever use. This isn't just a tweezers, this is a very high quality tweezers. How often do you find yourself trying to get those little tiny logs out of those nanos? This will help. It says here, easily removes the tiniest of splinters, threads, hairs, stingers, and more. Countless times in the field, I have splinters in my fingers. This is a first aid kit as well. All right, time for the Hero Crate. Happy birthday to me. Check out the presentation of this. Nice grass with paper, everything secure, nice, and just a treat to open. This is, okay, nice. Power bottle, power top, power bank. What? Are you kidding me? What? I've never seen anything like this. This is a solar powered water bottle. So you can stay hydrated and you can have your phone charged out in the woods. Comes with a little charging cable, and you can plug your phone into this USB charger. Keep your phone hydrated and yourself hydrated. Unbelievable. Never seen anything like this. So cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is nice. Oh my gosh. This is really nice. You guys, many of you know I live in the Northland. I live in Minnesota, and look at this. It is a Geocaching Beanie Hat. Oh, yeah, baby, geocaching. In the Cache Crate or the Hero Crate, there hasn't been a ton of apparel because like they don't know your t-shirt size or whatever, but this hat is super, oh my gosh. This is super high quality. It's the Spokane Train and Railroads Star Hat. Sweet. Oh, it fits nice. I believe this must be a geocaching challenge out in the Spokane area. I'm assuming Regardless, it is a super comfortable and cozy hat. I need this. I need this. You guys, I was just on a trip to the Pacific Northwest and I tied one of those, identification tags on my luggage, but check this out. Didn't even know this existed either. A geocaching.com luggage tag. On that side is your phone and address, and on the other side, a sweet ammo can. Lisa knows the things I need even before I know I need them. So this is a dry dock 2-pack. Can be used to keep my identification dry, or can be used for a sneaky slim geocache. And it's all waterproof, very cool, multi-use, great. In the geocaching world, these things are gems. We have Write and Rain paper notepads. It's basically like waterproof paper. And even if it gets slightly wet, you can still write on it. As a geocacher, you can never have enough of these. We also have a Write in Rain pen, writes in any weather, writes upside down, pressurized cartridge, extreme temperatures, up to 35 below zero or 250 Fahrenheit. That's a little bit hot, but pretty much you can geocache on the sun. As a geocacher, you can never have enough pens. Dry dock stick-em-ups. It's like reusable sticky things. This picture is helpful. You can stick your phone on your car like this, or you can make a little stand for there, and you can reuse them and they stick. This is really useful if you are navigating, driving to the cache. Just stick your phone up on there and this will help you do it. Cool. Oh, we have a heavy, soft bag filled with something nice. Looks like we have 4 different trackables here. Here's a fun one. We've got a shiny, super shiny FTF geocoin. We have a 2018 gift geocoin along with the trackable tag that matches. We have an Earth Cache geocoin because this month is Earth Cache month, and included with it is the Earth Cache trackable tag. And we have a tiny, tiny FTF coin as well. Who doesn't love trackables, right? Okay, it looks like we have one more item, and this is funny and useful considering what I got in the cache crate. We have the world's largest tweezers! You guys know I love finding the world's largest anything, and now I own the world's largest tweezers. I don't know if this is kind of just like a joke thing or actually can be used. It says, tweezing is fun. Tweezing is satisfying. Tweezing is educational, so don't just stand there and get tweezing. Things to tweeze: giant splinters, extra long nose hairs, insects, dead or alive, drains, unibrows, soiled garments, broken glass. Other things to tweeze: meatballs, kittens, vials of poison, interesting rocks, small tweezers, or kettle corn. I love the world's largest tweezers. I never thought I would need the world's largest tweezers, but now I realize I do. I do need it. There you have it. We have the Cache Crate and the Hero Crate. If you're interested in either of these subscription boxes, go to cachecrate.com and you can sign up. Give it a try, you can cancel anytime, and you too can celebrate your geocaching birthday every month of the year. If this is the first time you're watching any of my videos, I'm usually out there geocaching, but once a month I like to unbox the Cache Crate. So don't miss any of our adventures by subscribing right there. And be sure you check out the very first gift winner that was put out by me and the Geocaching Doc 5 years ago. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.